Okay guys, another disc is loaded. Let me see what it is. I'm not sure what it is. Let me see what we've got here. I haven't heard this in 20 odd years. It says Biz Flex, so I'm guessing that's a tune that I did with Cool and Flex back in the day. Apparently it's disc 2 of 2, so let's see what's happening. Got it up here now. Let me just press play, see what's going on. Oh, some Amiga business. Turn it up a bit. Okay, what we got here? Okay, loads of Akai stuff. Yeah, lots missing from that. So I've got a load of BizFlex discs. So once I convert those to HXC, I will be able to get this song playing. So this is all in a day's work with this sort of thing, people. As you can hear, it's bits and pieces, a jigsaw puzzle clanking along. There's over 1,200 discs there. And once they're all archived, I can just go BizFlex in the computer and it will find the discs. Oh, nice little beat playing there. Check it. At the moment, this is just all Amiga based. And also Akai. Yeah, but the Akai is probably bass lines and loads of samples of the Akai. So yeah, that's all in a day's work. This is what I have to go through, people. Pure madness. Big up.